Liver health is a crucial aspect of overall well-being, and understanding its significance is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Fatty liver disease, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, has become increasingly prevalent, affecting millions worldwide. This condition can lead to serious complications if not addressed, making awareness and prevention vital. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in supporting liver function and detoxification processes. A balanced diet can help mitigate the risks associated with fatty liver disease by providing essential nutrients that promote liver repair and regeneration. In this discussion, we will explore the top 9 foods that are particularly beneficial for liver health. These foods not only support liver function but also enhance the body's ability to detoxify harmful substances. By incorporating these nutrient-rich options into your diet, you can take proactive steps toward improving your liver health and overall wellness. Join us as we delve into the specifics of these foods and how they can contribute to a healthier liver and a more vibrant life. The liver is a vital organ that serves multiple essential functions in the body, acting as both a detox unit and a security system. It filters toxins from the bloodstream, breaking down harmful substances and ensuring they are safely eliminated from the body. This detoxification process is crucial for maintaining overall health and preventing disease. Additionally, the liver plays a significant role in hormone production, regulating various hormones that influence metabolism, growth, and reproductive functions. It also serves as a storage site for essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals, ensuring that the body has access to these vital components when needed. Furthermore, the liver is instrumental in regulating cholesterol levels and maintaining blood sugar balance. It produces and manages cholesterol, which is essential for cell membrane integrity and hormone synthesis, while also converting excess glucose into glycogen for storage. This regulation helps prevent conditions such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Overall, the liver's multifaceted functions underscore its importance in sustaining health and supporting the body's complex systems. Recognizing the signs of potential liver damage is crucial for early intervention and maintaining overall health. One of the most common symptoms is excessive fatigue, which can leave individuals feeling unusually tired and drained, even after adequate rest. Digestive issues such as nausea, bloating, and changes in appetite can also signal liver problems, as the organ plays a key role in digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, noticeable changes in skin and eye color, particularly a yellowing of the skin and sclera, known as jaundice, can indicate liver dysfunction. This occurs when the liver is unable to process bilirubin effectively, leading to its accumulation in the bloodstream. Other signs may include dark urine and pale stools, which further suggest liver distress. Being aware of these symptoms is essential, as early recognition can lead to timely medical evaluation and intervention, potentially preventing more severe liver damage and associated complications. Prioritizing liver health and understanding these warning signs can significantly impact long-term well-being. Detoxifying the liver is essential for maintaining overall health, as the liver plays a critical role in filtering and processing toxins from the body. When the liver becomes overloaded with harmful substances, such as alcohol, medications, and environmental pollutants, it can struggle to function effectively, leading to a range of health issues. This overload can result in inflammation, fatty liver disease, and even liver failure if not addressed. Moreover, the liver is intricately connected to other organs including the kidneys and digestive system, meaning that its dysfunction can have a cascading effect on overall well-being. A healthy liver supports optimal nutrient absorption and waste elimination, which are vital for bodily functions. Additionally, effective liver detoxification is linked to weight management and energy levels. When the liver operates efficiently, it helps regulate metabolism and fat storage, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Furthermore, a well-functioning liver contributes to higher energy levels, allowing individuals to feel more vibrant and active. Prioritizing liver detoxification is, therefore, a key component of holistic health. Incorporating specific foods into your diet can significantly enhance liver detoxification and overall health. First on the list is garlic, known for its ability to activate liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. Next, Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in chlorophyll, which aids in neutralizing heavy metals and chemicals. Beets are another powerhouse, packed with antioxidants that support liver function and reduce inflammation. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has been shown to promote liver health by reducing oxidative stress. Avocados are also beneficial, as they contain healthy fats and nutrients that help the liver produce glutathione, a vital detoxifying compound. Walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, support liver cleansing and reduce fat accumulation. Berries, particularly blueberries, are loaded with antioxidants that protect the liver from damage. Green tea is another excellent choice, as it contains catechins that enhance liver function. Lastly, olive oil can help reduce fat in the liver. Scientific research backs these food choices, highlighting their roles in promoting liver health. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can take proactive steps towards supporting your liver and overall wellness. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale offer remarkable benefits for liver detoxification. These vegetables are known to activate liver detox enzymes, particularly phase 2 enzymes, which play a crucial role in breaking down and eliminating toxins from the body. This activation enhances the liver's ability to process harmful substances, making it more efficient in detoxification. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and various phytochemicals, which help combat oxidative stress and protect liver cells from damage. Their anti-inflammatory properties further support liver health by reducing inflammation, a common issue associated with liver dysfunction. To maximize the health benefits of cruciferous vegetables, it's essential to choose cooking methods that preserve their nutrients. Steaming is an excellent option, as it retains most of their vitamins and minerals while making them easier to digest. Lightly sautéing or roasting can also be beneficial, but it's best to avoid overcooking, which can diminish their nutritional value. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet can significantly enhance liver detoxification and overall health. Beetroot is a powerhouse vegetable that offers numerous health benefits for liver health, primarily due to its high antioxidant and nitrate content. Antioxidants found in beetroot, such as betalains, help combat oxidative stress, protecting liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, the nitrates in beetroot can enhance blood flow, which is crucial for optimal liver function. This increased circulation supports the liver's filtration and detoxification processes, allowing it to efficiently remove toxins and waste products from the bloodstream. Furthermore, beetroot has been shown to reduce liver stress by promoting the production of enzymes that aid in detoxification. This not only helps the liver function more effectively but also contributes to overall liver health. Regular consumption of beetroot can lead to improved liver function, making it an excellent addition to a liver-friendly diet. Whether consumed raw, juiced, or cooked, incorporating beetroot into your meals can significantly support liver health and enhance your body's natural detoxification capabilities. Garlic is a remarkable food that significantly contributes to liver health, primarily due to its active compounds such as allicin, sulfur compounds, and various antioxidants. These compounds play a vital role in aiding liver detoxification by activating liver enzymes that help flush out toxins from the body. Research has shown that garlic can effectively reduce oxidative stress, a condition that can lead to liver damage. Studies indicate that garlic supplementation can lower levels of harmful substances in the liver, thereby enhancing its overall function and resilience. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted garlic's ability to protect liver cells from oxidative damage, showcasing its protective effects. To reap the benefits of garlic, it's essential to incorporate it into your diet, whether raw or cooked. Raw garlic can be added to salads or dressings, while cooked garlic can enhance the flavor of various dishes. By including garlic in your meals, you can support your liver's detoxification processes and promote better overall health. Turmeric is a powerful spice renowned for its detoxifying properties, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin plays a significant role in reducing liver damage by promoting the regeneration of liver cells and enhancing the organ's ability to detoxify harmful substances. Research has shown that curcumin can help protect the liver from toxic compounds, thereby reducing the risk of liver diseases. Additionally, turmeric boasts impressive anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which further support liver health. By combating inflammation and oxidative stress, curcumin helps maintain the liver's overall function and integrity. Numerous studies have highlighted turmeric's potential in improving liver function and reducing markers of liver damage, making it a valuable addition to a liver-friendly diet. To harness the benefits of turmeric, consider incorporating it into your meals. It can be easily added to soups, stews, smoothies, or even golden milk. By making turmeric a regular part of your culinary repertoire, you can support your liver's detoxification processes and promote better health overall. In summary, maintaining liver health is crucial for overall well-being, and nutrition plays a vital role in supporting this essential organ. Throughout the video, we explored various foods that promote liver detoxification, including cruciferous vegetables, beetroot, garlic, turmeric, citrus fruits, and walnuts. Each of these foods offers unique benefits, such as enhancing liver function, reducing inflammation, and providing powerful antioxidants that protect against liver damage. By incorporating these nutrient-rich options into your daily diet, you can take proactive steps toward improving your liver health and overall vitality. We encourage you to make these foods a regular part of your meals for optimal benefits. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and family who may also benefit from these health tips. Together, we can promote better liver health and well-being for everyone. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable insights on health and nutrition in future videos.